Hey, so if YouTube videos are lagging, buffering too much, or stuttering inside Zen Browser, yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when your internet is fine. This usually happens because of hardware acceleration, extensions, or browser performance settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser YouTube lag step by step. Alright, first, refresh the YouTube page to rule out temporary loading issues. Now reduce video quality to match your internet speed. Sometimes high resolution causes lag. Too many open tabs can use memory and slow down video playback. Extensions like ad blockers or video tools can interfere with smooth playback. Hardware acceleration issues are a common cause of YouTube lag and stuttering. Old cached data can cause playback problems, so clearing it can improve performance. Make sure your internet speed is stable enough for streaming video smoothly. Always keep Zen Browser updated because performance fixes are added regularly. If lag still continues, restart the browser or reinstall it to fix deeper performance issues. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help YouTube run smoothly again in Zen Browser without lag or buffering issues.